rely on India.
नो रिलाई का वो अमेरिकन बोल रहा है ना, तो शब्द रिलाई यूज कर रहा है, पर उसका मतलब कुछ और है. अमेरिका का हमेशा ये रवैया रहा है कि either you're with us or you're against us. It doesn't have to be like that. You are fighting in Iraq. I don't want to fight with you, but I am doing business with you. That is fine. वो तुम्हारा that is your problem.
That is
you
not
deal
my
with
problem.
it. Yeah. Because जब मेरे पास प्रॉब्लम आती है, जब दोकलाम में कुछ होता है, जब गलवान में कुछ होता है, आप तो नहीं आते मेरी मदद करने. आपने क्या किया? आपने कुछ नहीं किया. तो हम क्यों करें? हम क्यों अपने सैनिक भेज दें? हम UN पीस कीपिंग फोर्सेज में भेजते हैं. हमने 2 लाख से ज़्यादा सैनिक इंडिया ने भेजे. वी आर कमिटेड टू पीस. वी हैव डन रीबिल्डिंग एफर्ट्स इन लेबनान, in Sudan, in Congo, I believe, in Afghanistan. So India is committed to multilateral UN sanctioned processes. पर अगर अमेरिका को लगता है कि वो कहेंगे कि अगली लड़ाई यहाँ लड़ी जाएगी और हम अपनी एक बटालियन भेज देंगे, वो नहीं होगा. We have never done it, we will not do it. So India has always, initially we used to say that हम non-aligned हैं. अब हम कहते हैं हम strategic autonomy follow करते हैं. हम वो करेंगे जो हमारे लिए सही है और जो हमें सही लगता है. और सिर्फ इंडिया नहीं, बहुत सारे देश अब कर रहे हैं. ये जो यूक्रेन की लड़ाई हुई, कितने सारे अफ्रीकन कंट्रीज़ ने रशिया के खिलाफ यूनाइटेड नेशंस में वोट करने से मना कर दिया कि इन्होंने कितनी कोशिश की कि रशिया को आइसोलेट कर दे, नहीं कर पाए ना. द प्रॉब्लम अराइजेज व्हेन द वेस्ट विद इट्स वेरी नैरो अप्रोच डज नॉट अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाट विल बी द इम्प्लीकेशंस ऑफ देयर एक्शंस ऑन अदर्स. इसलिए वो इंडिया को इस नज़रिए से देखते हैं. वो उनका प्रॉब्लम है. और पिछले 2-3 साल में तो, अब पहले इंडिया बोलता नहीं था, अब तो अंडर मिनिस्टर जयशंकर एंड नाउ इवन द अदर्स इन द एमई आर वेरी क्लियरली सेइंग
he is savage by the way.
So I think it's about time we told them that you are not the class monitor.
True. One thing you need to give it to this government, okay, that they've started giving savage replies to the world, and they've filled us with such proud that all of us have also started giving savage replies. पहले जो बात करने से डरते थे, बहुत लोग पहले से क्वेश्चन उठाते थे. अब लोग अपने ओपिनियंस भी देते हैं, लोग अपने स्टेटमेंट्स भी देते हैं. नोबडी इज थिंकिंग कि हम किसी से भी इन्फीरियर है.
ये वही बात है जो हमने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले की थी कि हम we are beginning to see our strengths.
Yes. Now that is like, this has started. अब ये last 10 years में ये गवर्नमेंट की वजह से हुआ, कंटेंट की वजह से हुआ कि लोग खुद रियलाइज कर रहे हैं, या सबका सब थोड़ा थोड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन था.
I think बहुत अच्छी स्ट्रैटेजी, क्योंकि हम सिर्फ ऐसा नहीं है कि हम झगड़ा कर रहे हैं लोगों से. Look at the number of engagements that we've had. Look at the number of countries that the Prime Minister and the ministers have been visiting. Look at the kind of programs that we've launched, bilateral, multilateral. तो बहुत सारा काम हो रहा है. ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब जब आप पैसिफिक जाते हैं और एक आइलैंड का प्राइम मिनिस्टर आपके पैर छूता है, you feel nice. Right? The whole country feels, abhi recently Jamaica ki leadership, they were here. The Jamaican Prime Minister was here along with the delegation, and then there was a meeting, and some people from India and some people from Jamaica were there. So somebody introduced me and said that she is a journalist, and so I told him कि हमारे first post के पिछले 1 साल में जमैका में 10 million views थे. So he said that I was one of those people who was watching, and I watch. And so I know that we've had, like, a lot of Indians many decades ago, centuries ago, went to Jamaica, and they have a big population that has roots in India. But for the Prime Minister to say this, all of this sort of builds a sense of pride, and you feel nice that what you're doing and the kind of points that you're putting forth and what you're telling the world is reaching the world and is being accepted, and it's finding takers.
It is. Now we are going places.
Yeah.
It's our time to actually shine. So we talked about all the challenges, we talked about things, and we have come back to 2 Indians being super optimistic. Okay, give me a prediction. What do you think? India, right now we are 5th largest economy in the world. Okay. When do we reach 3rd?
They're talking about the 3rd, no? In
2030?
Yeah. 2030. It's quite possible given the fact
हाँ,
that
7.7 ट्रिलियन प्रेडिक्ट कर रहे हैं 2030 तक और वो थर्ड लार्जेस्ट हो जाएगी.
yeah. So yeah.
So you think
possibly.
2030?
I think 2030 would be a good bet.
Okay.
Yeah.
And when do you think the 2047 हमारा vision है of the whole country or the government now? 2047 में where will we be? Will we reach number 2?
I'm not sure. I don't know. 2047 is far away. There is so much that can happen. The trajectory is very good, but we have discussed the challenges. So I am not sure if number 2 or number 1 or number 3 is, but we are growing definitely. And if we keep this pace, then we have a very good shot at going to the top.
When will we shift from entertainment to education in this country? क्योंकि एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए सब पे करते हैं.
हाँ, एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए सब पे करते हैं. एजुकेशन या इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए नहीं पे करते हैं लोग.
ना लाइव इवेंट्स में, ना ऑनलाइन में, ना पे वॉल्स में, ना क्रिएटर्स को. यू सी एंटरटेनर्स, मैक्सिमम व्यूज, मैक्सिमम मनी, मैक्सिमम लाइव इवेंट्स.
और इसलिए एंटरटेनमेंट में कंटेंट पे इन्वेस्टमेंट देखो. मतलब इफ समबडी सेज दैट लुक एट योर इन्वेस्ट, लुक एट द क्वालिटी ऑफ योर प्रोडक्ट एंड लुक एट व्हाट, बिकॉज द मनी इज कमिंग इन. They are investing in, and because they have an idea that they will find a market, whatever the entertainment industry is also thinking. Everybody is investing in content except for news. So web series are looking at all kinds of, they are experimenting. They are coming up with new formats, new genres. Movies are doing they are all thinking of new things, failing fast, moving on to templates which are working well and growing.
News वही है.
हम वही कर रहे हैं कि 5-6 लोग बैठ जाओ, पहले एक टाउन हॉल जैसा डिबेट कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद कोई एक रिपोर्टर कहीं पे खड़ा रहेगा, वो बोलेगा मेरे पीछे ये हो रहा है, मेरे आगे ये हो रहा है, फिर उसी से उसको, मतलब आप हिंदी न्यूज रूम्स में कहते हैं, उसी को भुनाते रहते हो आप, एंड द स्टोरी गोज.
क्योंकि शॉर्ट लिव्ड भी तो होता है.
नहीं, आप अगर लॉन्ग शेल्फ लाइफ वाला कंटेंट हम बनाते हैं, तभी आपने बोला कि एक शो के लिए 5 राइटर्स हैं. I don't think there is any other show in this system where there are 5 writers for one show. But because we are investing that kind of effort, I mean, I should not be saying it myself, but I'm very proud to say that our viewership numbers are very good. We have viewers across the board. 65% of our viewers are not based in India. We have a lot of viewers in Africa, people who write to us, people who write about issues that are happening, people who share stories which unfortunately we cannot use, but because we cannot verify them, but they are sending them to us from countries which we did not even think would be interested in the point that we are making. Lots of people writing to us from Nigeria, from Kenya, South Africa. The US is a very big market for us, and it's not Indians only. It's all kinds of people. It is very encouraging. And these things don't happen if you just follow the template.
Yeah.
1 घंटा भरना है. These things happen when you invest in content.
True.
But one show is not enough, no? We have to be able to do a lot more.
Yeah. And there has to be many versions of you and like your type of show.
Many things that we have to do. And this is just one format. I'm sure somebody will come up with something else, which will click, which will find a new audience.
True.
So we have to keep at it. And we have to invest.
That is so true.
लोगों को मुझे लगता है कि पता नहीं चलता है. एक बार किसी ने बताया कि इतने लोगों को क्या करना है आपको तो बस एक थोड़ा कैमरा चाहिए, अच्छी टेबल, और आप बोल दीजिए मतलब क्या बोल दूँ मैं? मतलब what do you think we do? I just sit and say okay, आज मेरा मन है कि आज हम हनुमान चालीसा पढ़ते हैं. So that's not how it works, no.
But I've seen views shifting though. That is one thing is happening. आज से 10 साल पहले जितने एजुकेशन पे या न्यूज़ पे व्यूज़ नहीं आते थे, अब वैसे व्यूज़ आने लग गए ऑन एजुकेशन. सो अगर एंटरटेनमेंट लेट्स से 95% ऑफ यूट्यूब कंटेंट कंजम्पशन था, और एजुकेशन, आई एम जस्ट कंपेयरिंग टू लाइक रैंडमली गिविंग यू जस्ट फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, आई डोंट नो द डेटा येट. तो अगर 5% ही सिर्फ एजुकेशन था, तो वो अब बढ़ के 15-20% तक पा गया है. लाइक यूट्यूब, हाउ टू एंड एजुकेशन एंड ये सब चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा चलते आ रही. तो न्यूज़, एजुकेशन, ऑल दिस इज ग्रोइंग.
Yeah.
So that view shifting is happening, paywall shifting.
And in that view shifting also, while you say that there are some people who are doing very good work, there are, I'm sure, a lot of others who are doing all sorts of things, and they're also getting viewers. So there is no, I'm not sure what sort of quality checks are there.
You know, there was a very good term. So Balaji Srinivasan, you know.
Yeah, I know.
So he wrote a book, and uspe he was like, the future of influencer world, at least with the people who provide information and education, should be, they all should get dollars, okay, for every time they put out a right news, and they all should be penalized every time they're not. So more people will now, जिसका भी trustable information है, जिससे किसी को growth मिली, so they will put more money on them, and they will put them behind a paywall, so that only the right people keep growing, so that everyone else, उनको पैसे नहीं दे रहा, कोई भी नहीं जा रहा. Like, it should just make it so expensive in that way.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Maybe that is the future if sometimes comes out.
I really don't know, and it keeps me awake at night. That what is the future, and why are we not being able to do more? We are not showing the vision. We are not showing the courage. We are not showing the willingness to, as an industry, to do something. I mean, at the end of the day, इतनी technology आगे चली गई है. Content की हमने बात की. Where is the tech? We are still depending on technology platforms that are not home-owned. एक social media platform नहीं है आपका. एक distribution platform नहीं है. So you are at the mercy of, and we've seen this happen, you know, with the Russia-Ukraine war.
Yeah.
The Russian platforms were, the Russian news outlets were deplatformed from YouTube. अब क्या करोगे आप?
खत्म.
हाँ, मतलब you have to then build from scratch.
Yeah.
So we are not thinking about tech sovereignty. We are not thinking about how important it is to build our own tools to tell our stories. And that's very sad.
People don't even realize the importance. Forget innovating in that area.
Yeah, but it's not just people, no? It has to be like an industry level. It has to be a systemic. It has to be a policy level decision on why you don't have any of this.
Because maybe people don't download new things, and then when they download, they don't open it enough. And that's why उधर returns नहीं है, उधर returns नहीं होते तो कोई value नहीं करता, कोई valuation नहीं तो कोई innovation नहीं करता. Because at the end of the day, innovations, technology and missions are driven by the returns in the market.
Yeah, but returns तो ROI की बात करते हैं लोग, पर जब आपका strategic asset होता है, अब जैसे हमने इतने पैसे लगा के रफाल खरीदे, उसका क्या ROI है? कितने लोग मार दिए हमने रफाल से? नहीं चला है ना अभी तक, पर हमें चाहिए वो, हमें पता है. To build deterrence.
Government level पे हो सकता है.
So you have to build deterrence. You have to build your own infrastructure, information infrastructure. वो नहीं है हमारे पास. उसमें हम ROI देखेंगे तो फिर
नहीं हो पाएगा.
फिर वैसे ही होगा जैसे हो रहा है, मतलब क्या कर सकते हैं.
Okay, tell me last. अच्छा हमारे लिए नहीं.
Trump is, we'll be fine. I'm not sure he's better for us than the previous administration, but he's not necessarily worse either. I will tell you why. India has bipartisan support in America. चाहे डेमोक्रेट्स हो चाहे रिपब्लिकन्स हो, दोनों को समझ आता है कि इंडिया के साथ काम करना है. ट्रेडिशनली इंडियन अमेरिकन्स ने डेमोक्रेट्स को सपोर्ट किया है. हमने दोनों के साथ काम किया है. When this government came to power, there was Obama in the White House, then there was Trump, then there was Biden, and now Trump is coming back again. We have seen the full spectrum. We understand the beast, and we know how to work with it. Trump is unpredictable, but the world has seen Trump in action, right? He is a man who likes leverage. He likes to believe that he has the upper hand.
Always.
So again, there are a lot of mind games. There are a lot of ways in which people approach the other side in a negotiation. So
But this time he's more fierce than ever. At least he's predicting or showing that way.
चुनाव लड़ने के समय बहुत सारा रेटोरिक होता है. उस रेटोरिक का कितना प्रतिशत आप पॉलिसी में कन्वर्ट करते हो, वो is important to see.
मुझे लग रहा है ना ज़्यादा certain है, ज़्यादा aggressive है इस बार.
Yeah, he makes a lot of noise. That's his style. You know, he uses capital letters. He says, he uses adjectives. एक वो बड़ा interesting सा वो एक वीडियो चलता है जिसमें ओबामा किसी के बारे में बता रहा है, ओसामा बिन लादेन के बारे में, that he was taken out by this, और फिर ट्रम्प बता रहा है बगदादी के बारे में, he died like a dog. So that's who he is. That's his style. And we've seen it. And
so you didn't think friend or foe दोनों नहीं है, manageable है?
It is manageable.
So he's not a friend or a foe for India?
No, he will work. He will do things which help India. which help the US. He will always operate on the principle of what works for his country, and we will operate on the basis of what works for us. And we have to find a middle ground. The only difference is that in the previous administration, a lot of conversations happened behind the scenes or behind closed doors, and they remained there. With Donald Trump, he likes to just make everything public. So you have to manage it better. I think that's the only difference.
बाकी कुछ नहीं. Thank you so much for coming here. I will love to see you again whenever you have time.
Absolutely.
And we should do this. Thank you.
Thank you. All the best.
So much for watching this episode till the end. You know 3 चीज़ें करनी है. सबसे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेना है. नंबर 2, कमेंट्स में हमें बताओ कि और ऐसे कौन से गेस्ट हैं जो आप देखना चाहते हो, एंड कौन से टॉपिक्स हैं जिनमें आप चाहते हो कि हम पॉडकास्ट बनाएं आपके लिए. एंड नंबर 3, ये एपिसोड किसी एक इंसान के साथ शेयर करो जिसकी लाइफ में ग्रोथ होगी इस कॉन्वर्जेशन को सुनने के बाद, क्योंकि एक कॉन्वर्जेशन किसी की पूरी ज़िंदगी चेंज कर सकती है. I'll see you next time. Until then, keep figuring out.